In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block country in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know how to create a custom security rule that blocks traffic from specific countries, all from the Cloudflare dashboard. Start by heading to your Cloudflare dashboard in your browser. On the home page, you'll see a list of the sites connected to your account. Click into the domain you want to protect so we're working on the right property. Inside that site's overview, look to the left-hand navigation and click Security. This is where Cloudflare centralizes tools for managing threats and filtering traffic. From there, open Security Rules. This area lets you define exactly what Cloudflare should do when a request matches certain conditions like where the visitor is coming from. Click Create Rule, then choose Custom Rules. Custom rules give you full control over the condition and the action. Give your rule a clear name so you and your team know what it does at a glance. Something like block traffic by country is perfect, or include the country name if you're targeting a specific region. Next, set the condition. In the field dropdown, select country. This tells Cloudflare to look at the visitor's geolocation. For the operator, choose the option that matches your goal. If you want to block one or more countries, using isn't works well because you can select multiple values. If you're targeting a single country, equals is fine too. Now set the value. Click into the selector and pick the country or countries you want to block. You can search by name to move faster. Take a moment here to be precise, especially if you collaborate across regions. Once your condition is set, define what Cloudflare should do. Under Action, choose Block. This ensures requests from those countries are stopped before they reach your origin. If you intend to fully deny access, Block is the most direct option. Before deploying, check the placement of the rule. The order matters because rules are evaluated from top to bottom. Place this rule where it will run before any other rules that might allow traffic you're trying to stop. When everything looks right, click Deploy. Cloudflare will start enforcing the rule almost immediately, though it can take a short moment to propagate. Test from an environment that represents the blocked country if you need confirmation. That's it. You've created a custom security rule to block traffic by country in Cloudflare using a clear condition, the proper operator, the right country values, and the block action placed appropriately and deployed with confidence.